Did you know your body language can be just as powerful as your words when you're speaking? The way you stand, move, and gesture all play a role in how your message is received. Strong body language can make you seem confident, even if you're nervous. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. This posture shows you're grounded and in control. Avoid slouching or shifting from side to side, which can be distracting. Use hand gestures to emphasize key points. For example, when you say, "There are 3 reasons why this matters," hold up 3 fingers. Gestures should look natural, not forced, and should match your message. Avoid crossing your arms, which can make you seem closed off, and resist the urge to fidget or pace. These habits pull focus away from what you're saying. Facial expressions matter too. If you're excited, smile. If your topic is serious, let that show on your face. Your body should match the tone of your message. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself to see what your body language is saying. You might be surprised by what you learn. Your body language can help you stand out for all the right reasons. Practice these tips and use your presence to deliver powerful speeches. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes, where we build confidence and communication skills.